The seed's beginning. In the heart of a lush meadow, nestled among blades of emerald grass, a tiny seed lay dormant in the soil. It was waiting patiently, tucked away in its cozy earthbed, for the perfect moment to begin its incredible growth journey. Awakening to life. As the warm rays of the sun kissed the earth, the seed stirred from its slumber. Slowly but surely, it began to absorb the moisture from the soil and swell with life. Deep within its core, the seed's embryo awakened, signaling the start of something extraordinary, sending out roots. With a burst of energy, the seed sent out delicate roots in search of water and nutrients. These tiny tendrils stretched and reached, exploring the rich earth around them with eager determination. Through the soil, the seed anchored itself firmly, preparing for the journey ahead. The unfurling of the shoot. Meanwhile, deep within the seed, a miracle was taking place. The embryo, fueled by the energy stored within the seed, began to grow and develop. Soon, a tender shot emerged from the soil, reaching toward the sky with a sense of purpose and possibility. Embracing the sunlight. As the shoot continued to grow, it unfurled its first set of leaves, basking in the warm glow of the sun. Through the process of photosynthesis, the leaves absorb sunlight and transform it into energy, fueling the seedling's growth and vitality. The magic of photosynthesis. Within the green chlorophyll of the leaves, a remarkable process unfolded: photosynthesis. Using the energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water absorbed by the roots, the plant produces glucose, its food source. Oxygen, a vital byproduct of photosynthesis, was released back into the atmosphere, enriching the air we breathe. Flowering and fruiting. With each passing day, the seedling grew stronger and more resilient. It began to branch out, sending new shoots and leaves in all directions. These branches reached towards the sun, competing for its nourishing light, as the seedling continued its upward climb towards maturity. And so, the miraculous journey of a seed came to an end, but its legacy of growth and renewal lived on in the cycle of life. From humble beginnings in the earth to a majestic plant reaching towards the sky, the journey of a seed, powered by the magic of photosynthesis, is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature's design.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more video.